عزیز ساتھیوں بیان سے مستفید ہوں گے۔ قبل اس سے کہ ہم کسی استاذ کی زبانی یہ تواریخ سنیں، ہم درخواست گزار ہیں مفتی عبد الماجد رحمانی سے کہ وہ تشریف لائیں اور انگریزی میں
تقریر پیش فرمائیں۔ السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔ نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد. عن علي رضي الله تعالى عنه قال: أيها الناس إن آدم لم يلد عبدا ولا أمة وإن الناس كلهم أحرار، أو كما قال رضي الله تعالى عنه. Distinguished President of the program, honorable guests and respected teachers and dear compatriots, today on this auspicious occasion of Republic Day, first of all I would like to say good morning to all present here to celebrate the annual event of the country. Dear audience, India is the world's biggest democratic nation. Though India bought freedom against British rule on 15th of August 1947, but till 1950 we did not have our own law and order to follow. During this period, India was governed by the Government of India Act 1935. The Constitution of India was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. That was the dawn of world's biggest democracy when we got our own constitution and India became a republic nation. From then on, this day has been declared as a national festival of India, and we celebrate this day as Republic Day of India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India and also the first president to unfold the Indian Charter at Republic Day Parade at Rajpath, New Delhi on 26 January 1950. This was the same year when the President's House was renamed Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dear intellectuals, Republic means the supreme power of the people in the country, and only public has right to elect their representatives as political leaders to lead the country in right direction. This is the Republic country. Here public elects its leaders as a president, prime minister, etc. Here I feel appropriate to shed some light on the history of Indian Constitution. Dear dignitaries, the Constitution of India was drafted by the Constituent Assembly, which was elected by the elected members of the Provincial Assemblies. The 389-member Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years to complete its historic task of drafting the Constitution for independent India, during which it held 11 sessions over 165 days. Of these 165 days were spent on the consideration of the draft Constitution for India. On 29 August 1947, the Constituent Assembly set up a drafting committee under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar to prepare a draft Constitution for India. And Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee were some important figures in the assembly. Dear dignitaries, the fundamental rights and duties of the people have been laid down in our constitution. Every citizen of India is equal in the eye of law, and no one is to suffer because of religion, creed, caste, color or race. Today we have completed 69 years with our own constitution and are proud to be a part of the world's biggest democracy. This is our privilege that we are the citizens of a secular nation. Our constitution provides us freedom to adopt any religion we like to follow, freedom to travel anywhere in India, we can arrange public meetings, we can express and share our thoughts, etc. Being a citizen of a democratic nation, we not only have many rights, but also many responsibilities to carry out. Since we got independence from the British rule, In 1947, our country has developed a lot and is counted among the powerful countries, but still we are suffering from some problems such as inequality, poverty, unemployment, corruption, illiteracy, and nowadays lynching. Incidents of mobocracy are tarnishing the vivid image of our democracy. We need to take a pledge today for solving such problems in the society to make our country a best country of the world. Dear dignitaries, here I feel appropriate to shed some light on the programs that held all over the country. Dear dignitaries, today in every school, college, university and public place, a grand spectacular show is staged. Cultural programs, parade march are held, but the main attraction of Republic Day parade is the special Republic Day parade taken out at Rajpath in front of India Gate in our capital Delhi. Early in the morning, people from all over India stand together at Rajpath in front of India Gate to watch this parade. People who can't go there watch it on television. Some foreign ministers are also invited as chief guests on this occasion. Indian Prime Minister with other ministers and chiefs of armed forces also arrive at Rajpath. With the arrival of Indian President and foreign chief guests, the national flag is unfurled high in the sky. The bravery awards are distributed to brave soldiers, martyrs, brave citizens and brave children. Brave children are brought by elephants on this occasion. After this, Republic Day parade starts with the flag march of all Indian forces. Indian President takes the salute of all Indian armed forces. Armed strength of the country has been shown on this occasion. And after that, Republic Day parade starts with the flag march of all Indian forces. Dear friends, this is an occasion of inspiration, pity, love and happiness. We should make some principles and do all possible efforts to lead our nation. Thank you, great India, great.
طلبہ عزیز، بحیثیت ہندوستانی آج ہمارے لیے مسرت کا دن ہے کہ آج ہم لوگ